Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're living with diabetes, you know it's not just about diet and exercise. There's a missing piece to the puzzle: vitamins. Today, we're diving into the top 5 vitamins every diabetic must take to help manage blood sugar, reduce complications, and boost overall health. Stick around because this could be the breakthrough you've been looking for. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing health tips. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about magnesium. You might think of it as just another mineral, but for diabetics, it's a game changer. Here's why. Magnesium is involved in over 300 processes in your body, including glucose metabolism and insulin function, 2 areas where diabetics often struggle. But here's the kicker: studies show that diabetics are more likely to be deficient in magnesium, and low levels can worsen insulin resistance, spike inflammation, and even mess with your blood pressure. So, what happens when you get enough magnesium? Research shows it can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even lower blood pressure. That's a triple win for your health. You can find magnesium in foods like spinach, almonds, and black beans, but let's be real. It's tough to get enough from diet alone. That's where supplements come in. Look for magnesium citrate or glycinate and aim for 200 to 400 milligrams daily. But always check with your doctor first. Ready for the next vitamin? Let's keep going. Next up is vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin. But don't let the nickname fool you. This vitamin is a powerhouse for diabetics. Here's the deal. Vitamin D plays a critical role in how your body processes sugar and produces insulin. Studies show that low vitamin D levels are linked to insulin resistance and impaired beta cell function. Those are the cells in your pancreas that produce insulin. But here's the good news. Supplementing with vitamin D can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even protect your bones. And let's not forget, diabetics are at higher risk for fractures, so this is a big deal. The best source of vitamin D is sunlight, but most of us don't get enough. That's why experts recommend 1,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily. Just make sure to check your blood levels with your doctor to find the right dose for you. Up next, we've got a trace mineral that's a total game changer for blood sugar control. Keep watching. Now let's talk about chromium. This trace mineral might not get as much attention as magnesium or vitamin D, but for diabetics, it's a must-have. Chromium enhances insulin's ability to transport glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. Think of it as insulin's sidekick, helping it do its job more efficiently. When you're low on chromium, this process slows down, leading to higher blood sugar levels and worse insulin resistance. But here's the good news. Studies show that chromium supplementation can improve insulin sensitivity, lower fasting blood sugar, and even reduce hemoglobin A1C levels. Plus, it's been linked to lower cholesterol, which is a big win for heart health. You can find chromium in foods like broccoli and whole grains, but most people don't get enough. That's why experts recommend 200 to 1,000 micrograms of chromium picolinate daily. It's safe, effective, and a great addition to your diabetes management plan. Next up, we've got a nutrient that's a lifeline for your heart. Don't go anywhere. Let's dive into omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are not just good for your heart, they're essential for managing diabetes. Omega-3s are natural anti-inflammatories, which is huge because chronic inflammation worsens insulin resistance and increases the risk of complications like heart disease. But that's not all. Omega-3s also lower triglycerides, prevent blood clots, and stabilize heart rhythms. The easiest way to get omega-3s is through fish oil or algae supplements. Aim for 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA daily. If you prefer food, focus on fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, or plant-based sources like flax seeds and walnuts. Omega-3s are a simple yet powerful way to support your heart, lower inflammation, and improve your overall health as a diabetic. Now let's talk about the final vitamin on our list, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Stay tuned. Last but not least, let's talk about vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are a big problem for diabetics. High blood sugar levels create oxidative stress, which fuels inflammation and accelerates complications like heart disease, nerve damage, and kidney problems. But vitamin E steps in to neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and protect your blood vessels. You can find vitamin E in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach, but most people don't get enough. That's why experts recommend 200 to 400 IU of natural vitamin E daily. Just be careful not to overdo it, especially if you're on blood thinners. Vitamin E isn't just about preventing complications, it's about giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. And there you have it, the top 5 vitamins every diabetic must take. Let's do a quick recap before we wrap up. To recap, the top 5 vitamins for diabetics are magnesium for insulin sensitivity and blood pressure control, vitamin D for better insulin production and bone health, chromium for improved glucose metabolism, omega-3s for heart health and inflammation reduction, vitamin E for antioxidant protection and reduced oxidative stress. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this info, and subscribe for more health tips. Let me know in the comments. Which of these vitamins are you already taking, and which ones are you excited to try? Thanks for watching, and remember, small changes can lead to big results. See you in the next video.